other BJP leader as chief minister?
It depends on Manohar Parrikar talking to us on this. We have given him the support. He has to talk to us on this. If he does not talk, then how can we conclude? We have
so Manohar Parrikaran जर सांगले आणि एक नाव फुडी केले, तुम्ही accept करतले.
Let us not work on assumptions. You only take.
I'm not even. It's a working theory.
No, politics does not work on assumption. It works on perception.
It's a working theory.
So on a working theory, let it be talked. We will that time discuss on this subject. There is too presumptive to. एक clear दिसती पट्टा. Sarkar is not in a mood of ordinance. That is what I felt. After the whole thing where we have come today, maybe they are trying to find some other type of a solution. We need to ensure that the mining, which used to contribute 17% to the GDP, is less than 1% to the GDP today. Then we have a very serious concern. So when we talk about tourism, which is also on a decline, we are trying to create IT as an alternate. We need to ensure that the stability of these mining people is there. So सगळ्यात साध्यातल्या साध्या मनशाचे पोटाचे पोचेच पडटले आणि ते पळयता आसतना उलोवन जायना. वी हॅव टू फायंड अ सोल्युशन फास्ट. ताणी बाबड्यांनी दिल्ली गेले, जंतर मंतर केले, सगळें केलें. अजून पर्यंत सोल्युशन मेळना.
Will you campaign for BJP?
Let the time come.
You're keeping it open.
I'm keeping it open because we are coalition partners. It is always a both side. Hand should be shook. ज्यांना हात शेक करता दोघांच्या साईडच्यान आसपाक जाय. आमच्या एमपीकूय आमी सांगून लास्ट 5 वर्सां सांगलें की प्रोजेक्ट्स कितें तरी पर्वरी घे म्हणून. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली वी हॅव नॉट गॉट अ सिंगल प्रोजेक्ट इन पर्वरी. वी नीड सपोर्ट फ्रॉम ऑल सायड्स कमिंग इन. आतां आमी एक वाटेन आमचें काम करीत आसा, आमचें कर्तव्य करीत आसा, जाल्यार रेसिप्रोकेशन तितलेंच जाय पडटा टू एन्श्योर दॅट वी वर्क टुगेदर द वे वी हॅव बीन वर्किंग द लास्ट 20 months.
Today, sitting here, you are not assuring BJP that you are there with them for Lok Sabha election.
I'm there with them on the coalition part as the state government is concerned. When it comes to MP elections, I think we need to still discuss the issues.